ظاہر ہے نور اس مبدع انوار کا، بن رہا ہے سارا عالم آئینہ ابصار کا، بن رہا ہے سارا عالم۔ چاند کو کل دیکھ کر میں سخت بے کل ہو گیا۔
Your priority should always be to cultivate a deep and personal bond with Allah, the Almighty, and to instill an everlasting love for Him within the hearts of your children. Further, you must help your children acquire religious knowledge. Indeed, most of you who have reached an age of maturity, whether mothers, young adults, teenagers, or older children, should realize that attaining religious knowledge is fundamental to safeguarding your faith and that of your future generations. Additionally, such knowledge shall empower you to enlighten the wider world of Islam's true teachings.